they say go do one. She's supposed to say, I had no reason. I had no reason. I had no reason. That one is just, just sit down, because they hear say people will marry with both that day and so that. No, not be everybody. I get a lot of people like that. Yeah, feel where you are. Their way is just like that. Don't deal with all these people. They are just too local for your kind. That when I've been so nonsense. Now what must I what tell? I go mena wire buying. I go mena wire buying. If the worst, they're not worst. Now then no. You know dinner say here ya asa. No matter when you hear wake be say no dinner say here ya asa. You understand? Who are calling? Who are telling nonsense? Frank Victor, you hear from my lawyer. For Nigeria. I bet men help me with your address. Wallah, what the address of me? Wallah, what the address of me? I need the address. I need the wallah. Why help me? You need that address of me. I'm not going to worry about me. Worry about me. I need the address. I need the address. Agbo ya no marebo off your way you are. Agbo ya no marebo agbo gbe. No silik bialawa. Those people that are doing it, if don't hear about what. If don't hear about what. You do what I am you junior one and I'm marebo. I go masila wait and ask you bialawa. It will not do any time you don't hear the kunwa here. I bet men give me address, men send me address. Forget those people and face your family. Mama, this is you get what this person feel just like okay, may forget. You understand? I think wanyama it's not nice. Or wala den wa ati eni. Mama make sense na wa ge make boru no sugbe a. Mama wa wait I don't vana gwe. Now okay, ma. Let me step down. No matter what way, I can't wait in near home. Let me move on. So that I won't have anybody. Let me apologize. In a way, we need Zanoa. Emi Danoa. No more be any aya la fia more why you make me. Emi Danoa. Emi Dano. Na jealousy. Oh, jealousy, my jealousy. Forget them, please. This is not forget them, mommy, please. Forget them. See any yana do atale nonsense. Ah, wow, I'm on your way. Why you're in a way? Also, if you when why yes, ya wherefore, una ya be why you're only a firma, only not a female, when is about by me. And why I nonsense. Just ignore them, Mama. Before you forget, it has exactly, if not so, Frank Victor, if not so, apology, Udowe. Apology, Udowe. I need apology from you. And the one of it, I need apology. He said, yeah. But when I will do anything. I will do anything. A degbe, I will violate your bonu. Or we are at your bonu. I saw and rate your bonu. And then I at your bonu. And I have so situated. I will did no kid ever here. And I have a little my three spiritual mother. They will pray on you. I will set them to naked for your sake. One day, my love be. Can not deal with anyone again. Okay, let it go, Sagaya. You know, it's too much. It's too much, Emma, Obungbene. Imakboro no Sugbian. Nothing. Emi dan you to Wales egg wheel. Emi dano. What like video wa tali nonsense. Frank Victor. put ransom, he go still go give you. Yeah. Except he come and come apologize. Ignore them, my love, please. Okay, you know yourself already, my lady. Like, yeah, most of my bug bay. Ona gele matter. Oh man of worry, but oh man matter. If not die so here so or here asa. Or here asa wa van wo we wo yore ason ke va van ke no ririje. I don't care. The safety where oh you know we must to I'm more why you could be radio. Oh yeah bono. Okay, date black iri. Dito a black area. I thought you were a bone. Oh, do vempo them at a gelino. I got me last week. Emma work by our video in ma. If you have bone. Last week, Emma. I got now petty who petty me here. Come up again, I asked me last week. Last week, me ladia. No, even me, I don't lead me. My lad, make a ladia very safety where and then you may mean here where I dealt with so safe. While they are shopping, you know, there you ladia. You need them here. On I need your dory. Or I always possess all the lawyer SS. A canteen of one eye. Or say, I was telling no sense, Nene, we no sense. Ever no so women, they will testify to that. They will testify. Yeah, tell my word. Why have it by a view in your way, yeah? Why have a boja with shopping out with your wa? Me my ladia a week in my ladia. Last week and this week. My ladia every night Tuesday. Yeah, you. My ladia. When I tell okay, give my ladia, all those things. No. My ladia. Why waje? What told the video on your way last week? Video why? God. Iriak botogo. Do die what away? Nedi and ya apologize ni yeki. Now we may not messing. My name is Messing. That is the name I normally do be before I change it to Bianca Beletta guess. If you order anything for me, what you not they see? Not be messy on the see for the name. Go reach my credit card, everything. Not be messy they give una. That is my real identity, my address. I know they hide. Yele, you mag bamawa. Aba mwa wa munyo ko video. Okwoni won mi don here. She demon an enemy. The enemy must die. That people for you. No, mama. I'm no G. What to talk? My advice for don't join any side, any gang, and since you have done your apology, they should bring the evidence now. All this, no one that they talk. And since February here, no, we that were video for any. Yana do a committee. No, February there was a live stream I did. Yana do a committee. From there, I didn't was one money done. We am a warrior by GPC or Tick Boma were different things. So that we video again committee. Then never be a committee platform. Then I will that's where we regret we will bomb really work banana. Just do your things. Anybody that want to support, let them support you. This is my platform. Everybody are free. I'm not with anybody. You understand? But that woman will surely she and Frank woman apologize. Woman apologize. Ogun of vawewe. Isango here vawewe. Except we matter no. I'm the one calling you. Calling. A form area man now. A form area man. Form area man now. No mock bena ketori. Am I me one always treat a fuck up? That apology pain them. The apology it pain them. It you good dumb say because you're my expected. You're my expected. You're my expected. Nobody, even my own sisters, everybody. Nobody. Now it's a me now a buyan wo wana wala wo wiji. He apologize. Oh when we know me asunu. I just want to be free. You only away me. Anybody yet you expect it where or DM fine, but I'm not really do everything. Oh, I will step down and say I let everything go. But to be a business or we might no money. Or na why I want to imagine no more or no bele my social media. Or na why I he. Ze will be a imagine no the next thing. me de video yo me when me aya who me who for ije la life. Ije ki na la life. Ona la life. We accept it. Ona tell mata gele no gele gunye demi. Yes. Mo ga we video be gane video no go viral makata mo wa. Video no go viral mo way. Yati mo me I love you. I we gele ni e boy na wo. I we makeup in here, makeup oga ya we iwe ba ni na wa wo. Just for other women to go and learn. To go and learn from them. No, yes, matter no or la life, okay, la life, ya share ne popori. Mana ya agme la te we dia coming no, mana. Supporter na give me na or have unzan. The apology pending and it go pending die. They just they like to spoil people name. And they tell you they'll just sit down, they'll just because now nonsense where they talk. Now nonsense where they talk. She use one to show example. And that woman go swear for her till she continue. She come out. She come out to apologize, or else I will continue to swear for her, and I will succeed my three spiritual mother. They will go for her sake. I don't even need to know. Your voice alone will speak. Oh my, Nana will screenshot all those things. Your voice alone. We are telling you. Ona gele ayi betamiya. Wa we leru me. Ina gele ni ya lawo me na. Ina gele se lukbe alawa. Ina book be abo te. Oh, last week you know. Oh, kedo ade I don't care to know. Since ni ya lawo me na. Ina gele when you feel where you are. Boy ya eru ya nyana up the big me. But omana everio ni ya lawo me na. Ina feel where you are. Nothing like that. Oh, we no die so here asaba van mi dan mi don here dekungwe wa e ve here ka mi ogun here va we I leave that person so I leave that person for God. EFCC yan ke lo kede ogun here va we sango here va we what day you because my mind's clean, my sister, and now Saturday a day, everybody they watch me here. If they say, I don't sleep with her, I go the meeting for your husband, make the comments. Anybody will say in they do, make the comments. I tell you guys, I'll deactivate my Facebook. I went to us. I'll deactivate my Facebook and enter us. Go say yes. I really see you they come na me God forbid. Now the person they do my enemy. Make the comments. Make the comments. When you are here, you know pialadi. What we meje be nyani to. I don't lie. I don't lie. Even he it's away he. Think that woman will come out to apologize. I'm gonna apologize. You see I. Yeah, you went at imagine yes. You record the screen record the imukba. Ema wa to we wa tota. Ona bi agiejo. Can you imagine? Go wear sweet clothes and lovely smile for us. I just about finish. I just about finish. Are you really a GPC member? Come on for you. They are here. They can testify if I join them. Because say they see one joy where use me to do profile. The profile no wa bianca. I'm no the microphone. You there wa be mo picture yo in wa oni okere ni agwa wo yan wa bere. Ah God, okere ni agwa wujo. Just a picture ni agwa mo na den am music yo. And the music ko ni nenu ko beti me ne na. Can you imagine? Ken gwa na gbo ma ba no gwa na be mi o ma ni na wa. No, people are terrible. People are terrible. Because we know that our Italian na wasi ayi. Na wo mama say ata, agbon ya no ri ebo agbon gbe. Agbon ya no ri ebo or we nonsense. Agbon ya. Dem ni igwa lo here. Dem ni igwa lo. That don't me no igwa lo. Dem ani bon saka me no. They just want to like do it because others are doing it. Ete boy me kia. Ebo wa me kia. Ebo yen wa me kia. You understand? So that is just it. I thought I blocked you last time. I thought I blocked you. No go na gbo. You are boana vawewe. Cause the share. Eh? Let them see. But I'll swear for the woman. Tonight I'll swear for her. Except she come out and apologize. If she not apologize, I'll continue to swear for her. Bianca, take it easy on yourself, please. You are too beautiful to be sad. No, things like that is not very nice. What if na Africa might come marry? What if na Africa might come marry? Last week I not come out for here. My husband depends. The man day holiday. My husband day holiday. 2 weeks holiday. Now me even decide. I say but no work 15,000 ladian or ya dimoto. A year na go no where is me. I should say more than 20,000. Mokbana. That is too much. That is too much. Motena we no. Wait just 3 days. And more like normally, but 3 days our lodge hotel go all those things. Now we know. You go no really here. I don't care even if it's just 700 euro that we can do it or whatever. That's 700 euro. Leave it. Leave it. You go use and we use and take do shopping, say buy something, wear all that things. Now me decide say I know they go. I'm okay. Where they go? Last week we went to finish. This week now I say okay, just relax. All this window. Should be a show now. Last week. Now the man do. Now he do. True heart. Just because a person marry white, now they put that nonsense. Some go say now they beat them. 3 months, I know they receive 70 euro for YouTube. 3 months. And my data's now 70 euro they pay. Before now 90 euro. I can't remove 30 euro. I can't they manage the one way that they give me now. Because we are the internet with now that two this thing. Last time they said they don't get, they send me email even the white activate, but my go pay. I will come out near Ladina. What's in the name of that now? I send me email. I don't want to show you guys my email. I don't want to show it to you. They send me email that I should go and pay on tobacco so that they will come and fix the fibra. I don't know whether they say if you know they just test and once they test and say no, you know they'll just go. They'll give me back my 75 euro yes it there. You understand? So that is just it. Why people even know how to use it? What? I know it's painful being lied upon. Please, it's okay, forgetting. Because now this nonsense, they just they talk, they go. They are not the rich. Eh? They are not the rich. Huh? They are not the rich. They just they talk that kind of lie. It don't make sense now, my people. Huh? I just sleep, wake up, call the catch me and say, any yahweh, onyoge sinani hue kwa. Eh, yahweh. Any nonsense, and I begging nonsense. Oh, which woman go? Y'all wake up. You go relax. You eat, finish. Okay, me go relax. I ask my husband, mo go out. My husband say no today. Mo just relax. Cause me today, I don't allow. I feel like going out. Go beach. You understand? So go beach. Go. Cause if I want to talk to this woman, I want me to see black thing follow my body. Because she will apologize. Since she apologize or she bring out the evidence. Till she apologize. Till she apologize. And even I am moody, even I am more better. Me do I tell him so. I'm one now. Oh, put a bow, a black hole. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You tell your boy a bow. Guamoladien. Even even emotion like I'm happily married. I don't like anything, man. I don't like anything. I'm okay. In winner, I get to the should I know they lack anything. Do you think it's easy for Italy? You date Italy. Like one woman that they say it cannot be anything. Sister, when you date Italy, where to the motor? What the motor bobo asa? Are you okay? I know how it is. If someone accuses you of adultery, but the way you are swearing for that person that said so, it proved that you are innocent. For real, with my precious children, with the breast where they feed them. With the breast where they feed them. I mean, it's like, my husband said, Makolele parts. My husband say the person the Chris was last week. We paint door this week again. I never come out to go pay this tabaki. You think they all come out? Oh, look at how beautiful this woman is. And yeah, I was pregnant. I was 6 months pregnant. You see this picture one of the see. I got belly there. You know, if I get belly, I dey fine. Jesus. Only what to go munyame. It didn't do too much. It do too much. Might use one tissue example. I think what more. Not be everybody will marry Oyibo the shit. Men not believe me that. Not be everybody. If I dey talk and so not they believe. The one we marry Oyibo the shit. Now once you still know. Now once you still know say this person the shit. You understand? Anybody will still come your way. You just still get that. Be bold. Say that person say, oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Now so just be. Now we talk about and why are they like this? I just tired. I best speak some more pidgin, make I understand some more. Oh, okay. You get one mumu. We say name na Frank Vito. Okay. This very guy, he go live stream. They talk nonsense. They call me different. They call our wife. The baby mama we get for Nigeria, different names. Say the woman, the drama enters. So one caller can call in. One caller say yes, he really know me. My can testify. If not true, say I not really last week. I not carry my go hotel. I say talk. I don't record the audio. Send that go my brother. Or tell you not you're gonna deal with you. Well, here now again. Agbo yak bekan. Egbigie or yagbekan igie ekere nata we Yoruba no ah when sometimes we just talk something egbigie kere igie o igie hin o tell no din a street oga ya a street oga ban agboya wa you know many people here have bun here there you alawa lagodo me you understand even ya ta o tin me no di onya street fo bejo we say yes onya street fo o menwa o di with igbo egbe. Better be careful and come out and apologize. Our man soy come out and apologize, or else you bring out the evidence. You understand? So this woman just enter. Do get another one now. Do get another one now. I understand on it. So this guy enter last stream because they talk nonsense, saying so the wife the drum man enters because he leave the woman for Nigeria. The woman they flirt around, they draw different from carpenter or furniture or vulcanizer or now just they just go and a wife for Nigeria. You understand? So one woman call and say yes, Frank Victor, the wife where Frank Victor put for us, he get evidence. He really they see when man they fuck this Frank Victor woman, not be me. I hope you they understand because I they reject her. That is not my portion. I don't shit. I don't shit. I'm not a shitter. What different one. So that is last week I watched you go through a lot. Like not since last year. It's more than a year, going to 2 years now. Now I do all this nonsense. My beautiful Bianca, you are loved, and you know I really do love you. I love you too. I love you too. You know that. No, they don't feel come make me go down, they cry. And when I just hear that thing, I have to talk to my husband. Yes, the cry. My husband say, "Madam, Colin Pato. Last week, not be me. Are you the paints all this thing? You know, even since when children they ask, maybe I don't go out once now since June, July, August. Yeah, almost 2 months now. Maybe once or twice. Without hobby, when I don't go out, when. One day I can't go buy what I go buy, be like saying a shoe or this thing to scrub. That thing to scrub. Now that one go buy plus flour again. Okay, I can't go buy flour. Since then, now has a day. You like them because can't go out. Up come out. Ekpo wa me wa him. I like na ladian. I like it. I need another belly so that no. Tiri children. Everybody, you not like come on, see don't accept because I won't be an need or where yes, no, or see a diary or a tyranny and self. Even self for making hands on not to bad to change your mind and I will be an imana when near a next plan on the area. Then I go maybe and me no me one need dock with you want it dock with a fashion tell like married now. Then. Think to kill mosquito or the mosquito. Bianca forget you Bianca forget you not trust yourself. Why you they bother yourself now? Wow, you not trust that one a question or what I not trust myself. I trust you at or that with Facebook. Why you more at now we'll change your comments and write it again. Well, they're messing at here. More time, can you now apology in yeki? Now, yes, me no messing. Do I add my name? I'll be saying it. I don't add my name. I bear my name before, but I just decided to change it to Bianca Belletta. Guess Belletta. Now waiting my father-in-law, auntie, now so that they call me. They say Belletta, ciao Belletta, ciao Belletta. They're not the quick call me my name, except to maybe get what auntie. That's so that they call me. They'll say Belletta. They'll say Belletta. If I go where Z are they, not believe that woman. I bet that I don't swear for her. Tonight I'll swear. And I will still so see to it. They my three spiritual mother, yeah, Tinya, you know. I might not because she come and come apologize. Oh, do apologize. Oh, what ye? Oh, waiting why you joke. If she not doing, I'll continue to swear on her, and that's where go dwell on her. Because you get to make me. Even if na you la meet, no you la meet. All these people who are saying forget should call Frank Victor. Exactly. Frank Victor, I'm gonna apologize to me. When I worry. I need the address. Wala worry about my address or any day. You need that address okay? Not get the evidence, not here my police. But I don't any police. Who are more Abuja? I did any who are fin Abuja. One make the deal. My me. But you made me no mighty with me. Me and Mario Ibo for 15 good years now. Then somebody will just come out to say rubbish about me, saying I dey sleep with another man. I will gather all the juju and little. Like they calm me down. No, leave, and I say no. I need to prove to them. I need to prove to them. A queen nonsense in Yatana. Agmoja. I will make sure that I show that person Pepe. A Pepe. I need the address. Oh, one no, a webo no. I need them. You are soft and lovely person. No mind. Now borrow shoe the load down. What a name. Now borrow shoe the load now. Borrow shoe the load now. Borrow shoe. I do party many party many years ago. Also in a KJ party my year party type. Anyway, I'm not quite black no rebel now. He came me black, except we drive out of my city. And I'm with black near Mulawa. My neighbor, they can even testify. Sometimes a neighbor may hear to my last time. They were like, Ma, ten no she my holiday ujo. Oh no ujo. Mama me about me. You understand? No, because I drive you on. I'm suffering from dastishiphobia. I can't stay like front of car. No, I can't stay front of car with my husband except say the man go respect himself for her. Sometimes the man mostly if we want drive go mountain anywhere way far. I not sit down for front because I know say normal it must once you pass 90, my dastishiphobia go be like say my enemy won't just pass on. So that is why now all this jealousy too much. Even if the jealousy too much, you know me say I like your black lipstick. The black lipstick. I just disregard the lipstick. I just disregard now. I wear black. Everything black. My slippers, yeah, black. A tie black. I just about finish. I supposed to just wear witty nice, sexy for hobby. Because of that, now my husband, why are you explaining yourself? They deserve one now. Because they'll say that all these things are truth. Oh, mommy. Mama. Andate piscina. Grazie. Sei andata in piscina con papà? Come no? Sì. Vuoi che su mi pude? Oh, no. my God. Better do. Papa soon is die. Right, pass. Okay. Sorry guys, my husband is wearing bikini now. Why you asking to screenshot take you here? No, to a sexy gamble. Or when he show a sexy gamble, can you imagine? You tell me where sexy I be for your mind. You say my show nice sexy leg. You say my show nice sexy leg. Oh where go alone anatuna. My husband not just did that one. I even they cry yesterday. They tell me, calm down, don't cry. That guy is crazy. And I said, no, Nena, don't call Zia. Zia said, I call her back later. I find information. Oh, say they are. Sometimes people take you for granted because of your kindness. This social media, no wonder why they see people they show their real character. I don't know why. I don't know why when me just come there like this. I don't. Omani banana na ye makati e bonene de to mazoa. Ina wani do atiana. Habe GPC me manu wa mana ti show e pepe no balo wa tele bun me no mo pa no. Mo pa no. Wa bun wa egbon ma be ni na wa gele make sure we e mange. Iya ma lodian. Iya lodian yeye. Exactly. People like that now, juju or take swear for them. That is what they believe on. Tonight, I'll still come out for the woman. I'll still come out for the woman. I'll call swear top of her. Person go hunt this thing. Mosquito go steal the shop person. Huh? Vai aqua. Serena. I'm going to Kwanya. Good. Go over Sabiwe to Amekwa. Vieni, no shape your aqua. That woman wake up. Now lie. She even they laugh. You not die so here, answer. Except you walk, you know. When I matter, oh money, better man I video. Eti seri, she apologize. She apologize. If not they say forget. If not you my sister, you how you feel when you know say deep down yourself. And na Italy a day, any man way they that way say na really they na day with Bianca. Make that person come out. Face your family. I face my family. Emani boom, boom a Facebook now. They are doing their video everything. I do a more na buy without my worry cyber space already. Nonsense. You know the me when you want here popular, the popular may go along. The popular may go along. Kedwaze. Saloboa. 2015 na we video tawe nina swe